Why are you looking so happy? You know why? Because it's a happy day. And why is it such a happy day? We get to start a new painting today. Hee-hee! I know. God, thank God we're so done with that cloud painting. Any clouds in this painting? No. Not if I can help it. So what's the subject matter? I think I want to paint death and how one can thwart it, perhaps. Sounds fancy. Full of fancy pants. But there's something we have to do before we start painting. Do you know what that is? Of course I do. We've got to clean this filth bag of a room. Yep. And I like that about you. Most artists are filthy animals. I don't like living in filth, and it's hard to clean while you're in the middle of a painting. Best to do it now. Hold on. What do you want to do? We've got to dust everything. Fix our palette. Palette needs to be fixed. How do you fix your palette? I personally like to paint over the whole thing. So, first things first, dust. Yes. Paint over your palette. Are your sketches ready to go? Oh, hell yeah, they're ready to go. I'm ready to go. All right, let's get it fixed up. I painted all white so I can see what I'm doing again, see? That's how we do it. Nicely done. Thanks. Used to be a professional cleaner, did ya? I don't want to brag, but 3 years with Vail. Businesses, night cleaning. Ooh, look at you. God, the skills you possess. Ridiculous. That dusting technique? How? Wow. Well, it's nothing to howl about, but yeah, I'm pretty good. Ready to get to work? I am ready to get to work. Let's go transfer this and let's start painting again. Let's do it! Woo! I was fully ready to go. I cleaned. You did? You cleaned? Yeah, I cleaned, man. I'm trying to be serious now. Okay. Fucking be serious, Jesus. Well, it is serious, cause I'm spit it out. All right, I was getting ready to make my transfer, and I started staring at my board, this board, right there. And I thought, do I want to transfer this thing onto a white board? Because I know my background is going to be ominous. And then in those thoughts of ominous, I was like, okay, is it going to be black? And then I was like, oh, that'd be great if I could do it black. And I can do one of the figures black, but the other figure that I'm doing is a dog, and that dog is black. And that's not going to show up. And then I kept thinking, okay, do I just go old school red? And now this is what kind of my process is, because I'm refused to do any preliminary work on any piece that I do, color-wise, I just sit here like this and I stare at this thing, and inside my own head I problem solve. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Good luck with that, man. Try to hurry. We need this done before the end of the month. You're such a dick.